Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Ring Home Standards for device warranties, beginner guide step by step clearly. Look for the sign in button located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the sign in button to access your account. If you already have an account, enter your email and password, then click sign in. If you do not have an account, click on create account to start the registration process. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and a secure password. After completing the form, click Continue to proceed. Once you are signed in, navigate to the Account Settings section in your profile. In the Account Settings, look for the option labeled Device. Read through the various warranty plans available for your devices. Select the warranty plan that best fits your needs. Follow the prompts to select your devices and add them to your warranty plan. Review the terms and conditions associated with the warranty. Once you are satisfied, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information to finalize your subscription. After completing your purchase, check your email for a confirmation message. You will receive updates regarding your warranty and any important notifications. Your devices are now covered under the Ring Home Standards warranty. Enjoy your peace of mind knowing your Ring devices are protected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.